So before this video gets started, if you need money right now, if you're searching for a new way to make money, don't worry, there's an app called Instacart. Instacart is a grocery delivery service. You're gonna go to a store, shop for groceries. I am an Instacart shopper. I go out and do Instacart deliveries. I honestly think it's pretty fun, it's pretty easy, and I make like 24 bucks an hour, 25, sometimes 30. It's a really easy way to make money, and demand is through the roof right now, guys. Through the roof. You will not be out of deliveries. They will be flying in all the time. It's up 20 times in most markets. The Instacart CEO said that. So listen to him. They are looking for new shoppers. If you want to make money, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. Yes, I am wearing my favorite Rideshare long sleeve because it's a little chilly out, it's a little bit nippy. But today guys, we're going over 9 things that Instacart shoppers need to have. So if you don't know anything about this channel, this is the Rideshare Hub. We specialize in gig apps. We specialize in Uber driving, Lyft driving, Instacart shopping, DoorDash delivery, Postmates delivery, Uber Eats delivery, Grubhub delivery. The list goes on and on, guys. We talk about literally everything. We even have videos on how to be a bird scooter charger or bird scooter repair person. We got everything, guys. But today we're focusing on Instacart. Why? Because demand is through the roof with Instacart. It has exceeded the clouds and burst into the spotlight. The Instacart gods are giving away tons of money to new shoppers and to people who, want to go out and make some money. So use the link in the description below to sign up, guys. Anyways, we're talking about 9 different things that you need to have as an Instacart shopper. Obviously, if you're watching this video at a later time, this video was made during the coronavirus. So, you know, obviously these things are gonna be a little bit different and specific to that, but at the same time, these are good things to practice as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What is the first thing? Oh, by the way, guys, it's night right here. It's nighttime. So I have all the stuff in my car, but I'm just gonna give you screenshots of things that you should get, the things that you should have. I am an Instacart shopper. So anyways, the number 1 thing that you need to have is a lanyard. It goes around your neck. You shop around and you wear it. You definitely should wear it. They give you a lanyard when you apply. And that way people can differentiate, and it also shows the customer that you are an Instacart shopper, you're not just some random person. Because, you know, it makes the customer feel at ease. Plus, guys, when you're going around shopping in a store, you get special treatment from the grocery store employees. They treat you good. Why? Because, you know, you're giving them you're giving them new orders. So a lot of times, guys, and I've heard from grocery store employees myself, is that they actually like when Instacart shoppers go up to them and ask them questions because it gives them an excuse to not work. I know it sounds, well, I mean, they're still technically working, but like, just imagine you're a grocery store employee and you're stocking shelves, you're stocking water cases, and somebody goes, hey, can you show me where the tortilla chips are? That grocery store employee is like, oh, thank God, yes, please. I'll go show you. Guys, literally, I've had a grocery store employee shop my entire batch for me, pretty much. Well, he walked me to every single thing because it was at a Costco and it was huge, and you know, it was gonna take forever. So the guy was just like, oh, here, I'll show you that. And literally, the order was done in 5 minutes. No, not even joking, maybe 10. But like, cause it was such a big place. But yeah, get that lanyard so they know you're legit and you're not just like some random person. But yeah, guys, so the next one, number 2, is your Instacart card. It looks like this. This is your Instacart card. This is the biggest thing that you need to have whenever you do check out at a store. You will scan your card to pay. You're not using your own card. That's a huge myth, is that, oh, I have to pay with my own card and then I get reimbursed. No, guys. Instacart gives you a card, so you don't even have to touch, you know, your bank account. You can have $0 in your bank account and still go out and do Instacart shopping. And yeah, it takes a few days for you to get that card. So after you sign up and use my link in the description down below, which you definitely should, I'm just gonna keep plugging that all day long. I don't care if you guys like it or not. Sign up with my code, guys, in my link. No, I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, it takes around, I mean, it depends. Right now, since demand is so high, it could take a couple weeks to get your card, but I think I got mine within like 3 days. Well, I think I got approved in like 2 days, and then, you know, it took an extra couple days because they send it out by mail and it takes whatever, 2 to 3 business days. And you get your lanyard and your card, and then your app will be activated already because, you know, you can go in and do your shopper training, and then you can go start doing your, so as soon as you get your card, go out and start doing rides, or batches, sorry. The third one you guys need, obviously, is the Instacart app. I'm just gonna show you really quick what it looks like. You need to download the shopper app. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna click on it in 3, 2, 1, click. This is what it looks like, Instacart shopper app. Honestly, I really do like it. Like, it's super interesting. Like, oh look, 2 batches available. Yeah, $15 one, a $9 one. And here you go, guys. There's guaranteed earnings, 150 bucks. So they are doing bonuses right now. So, you know, 150 bucks, whatever, like, it's pretty cool. That's obviously a really bad picture of me. They will ask you to do take a photo of yourself. So if you're shy, don't worry. Just do a quick selfie. No one's gonna see it. Just, you know, just the Instacart engineers are gonna go, oh my gosh, that guy just looks like he just woke up. I know that's what they said when they saw mine. But yeah, here we go. And then demo orders. Like, you can go in and do some practice shopping before if you're nervous. Go and do some demo orders. I'm pretty sure there are like training videos as well somewhere. How am I doing? Quality service is what counts. We're making it easier to understand your customer ratings, blah, blah, blah. Check out your current rating. Customers rate service on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. See your average rating from the last 100 orders. See what customers think. Honestly, like I said, guys, the app is really cool. So, yeah, definitely download the shopper app. You will need that, 100%. That's how you're gonna how you're gonna accept a batch. So yeah, anyways, that's the third one. Number 4 is, hold on. The fourth thing you guys will need, guys, are gloves. Gloves, why? Because you don't wanna, well, right now, especially with all the germs going on, you know, you don't, oh my gosh, the sunset, guys, is so pretty. Can you guys see that really quick? Look at that. Oh, it's all pink outside. Wow, it looks completely white. Never mind. Sorry, I get distracted. But yeah, why do you want to wear gloves? It's really important right now to wear gloves, guys, so you're not touching everything. As we know, the coronavirus germ the coronavirus stays on cardboard for up to, I believe it is 24 hours or 48 hours. I think it's 24, and then it can stay on stainless steel and plastic for up to 3 days. So what is in a grocery store? A lot of those items. And when you're wearing gloves, it will protect you from those things, you know, because you're not gonna be touching it. It is really important, however, if you are gonna be wearing gloves, you can wash your gloves with soap and water and dispose of them, and then get a new one after you do. You know, you don't wanna keep your gloves on, then touch your wheel in your car, because, you know, then you're just getting your wheel all dirty. Or you don't want to go and then touch your face or touch your car door handle. It's really interesting. Like, I don't know, there's a debate between wearing gloves or not. If you don't wear gloves, wash your hands. But yeah, this is a thing that you will see most shoppers having are gloves. Oh, and I can show you guys a really quick trick, by the way, the proper way to remove gloves. So I'll just show you, this is the surgical way to remove gloves. Here, I'll just show you guys really quickly. I'm just putting them on. These are unused, but just pretend you just did a huge batch, 200, 300, 400 item units, maybe, you know, $400 order. You just got absolutely rich, and, you know, you're thinking to yourself, well, you know, what do I do with these dang gloves? How do I take them off without disposing myself? So here you go, guys. You ready? You ready? You're ready to learn how to remove your gloves. So the proper way to do it, guys, is, you know, you just did your little shopper order. You pinch the middle of one of your gloves, and then you remove it like that. So you're not touching you're not touching the glove like that. You drop this one in the trash, and then you go like here, and you stick your finger through there, and then remove it like this, and then go like that. drop it in the trash, and then wash your hands for 20 to 30 seconds. That's how you properly remove gloves. I saw it from a doctor. No, I'm not professional, but I do it a lot. So I use gloves for when I get packages in my house. I legit do gloves, spray with bleach, then wipe it down with hand sanitizer. Then I load it all and wipe down all my groceries, wipe down whatever I order, put it away, and then I wash my hands. Like that. Okay, the number 5. Hold on. I got the number 5 thing. You guys ready? Hold on. The 5th thing that you definitely want to have 100% are sanitizing wipes, disinfecting wipes. You do want to make sure it says 99.9% kills bacteria. And then you also want to see that it does have some form of alcohol in it. I don't know if these ones do have alcohol, but these ones are good. These ones, I use the Lysol ones and the Clorox ones. Those are my favorite. But yeah, like this. It says kills cold and flu viruses, like kills antibiotic resistant bacteria, kills Salmonella, E. coli, MRSA, RSV, staph, and strep. I don't know. I like these ones. The reason why you do want to, I mean, yeah, it disinfects a lot of these things. Oh yeah, and it even says disinfects coronavirus as well. The reason why you want to have these guys is you're not going to wipe down every grocery. Come on, let's be realistic. You're not wiping down groceries for customers. But what you might want to do is wipe down your steering wheel, wipe down your door handles, in your trunk, you know, because you're going to be touching your trunk a lot and your door handles, and your phone. You want to disinfect your phone, because think about it, if you're shopping with your gloves on and you're touching your phone's going to be filthy. So you want to wipe down your phone. That's like, people say wash your hands a lot, but a lot of people say, well, actually, yes, definitely wash your hands, but also disinfect your phone, because if you go and wash your hands and then immediately touch your dirty phone, like, you need to wash your hands immediately again, because it does no good just to. So anyways, I like to disinfect my phone, my computer, and my glasses every single day, multiple times per day, just to be extra safe. And I also, whenever I go driving, disinfect your car, like handles and stuff, seat belts, all that stuff. All right, the 6th thing that every Instacart shopper needs to have is good communication with their customer. I know this is not technically like a tangible thing, but you do it through the app. I did mention that earlier. But yeah, you want to have good communication with your customer. Something that Steph on the Pedal does, shout out to Stephanie from Steph on the Pedal. She sends a text to her customers every single time that she starts an order. And I was like, well, I've never done that before. And she's like, it helps a lot for confusion purposes. She sends a text out saying like, hey, I'm doing your order. You know, I'm gonna try to get everything you have, but if an item needs to replace, can you just be on your phone to approve it or disapprove it, or on your laptop? Because a lot of people do order groceries on their laptop. A lot of people don't do it through the app, they just do it online. That's how I do it. I have ordered groceries through Instacart before. But yeah, anyways, so with that being said, yeah, you want to just have good communication and try to replace items, but if they really don't have anything, and you know, maybe call them and just ask them, like, I would say call them at the very end and be like, hey, you know, they didn't have chicken, they didn't have rice, they didn't have I don't know, broccoli, do you want anything else instead? Like, you don't want to be like, oh hey, they didn't have chicken, oh yeah, hey, again, I'm calling you for the 19th time, oh yeah, they didn't have brown quinoa, do you want white quinoa? Like, just, you want to call them at the end to make it all go fast and smooth. Okay, anyways, number 7 is what you want to have is a good sized car. I'm going to throw up a screenshot of my car. It's a 2011 Ford Escape XLS, valued at around $5,000. The reason why I do say that having a good sized car like an SUV or at least a big size sedan is because you're going to get larger batches, and if you have a little tiny car, like my very first car was a Hyundai Accent. I used to call it Hyundai Accent, but I definitely would not be able to do huge batches, or if I did, it was a 2-door, so like I would have to, I mean, it's doable, but it would just be a big hassle because I'd be loading stuff in the back seats, you know, pushing the thing up, the trunk was tiny, I'll be loading stuff in the front seat. I don't want that stuff all over my car because, you know, it's germy. So you want a car with a big trunk, basically. So yeah, a good size SUV does help. If not, obviously, you know, you can still get through it, but yeah, there you go. All right, number 8, this is a new one that I just heard recently, is that now you need to have insulated bags. You have to have insulated bags when you're doing grocery store shopping. Instacart does sell them, so you can buy those ones, or you can buy, I'll leave a link down below to some nice insulated bags from Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I recommend doing that instead. But yeah, you need to have insulated bags. Instacart, I believe, now requires it for all shoppers to use insulated bags when they're, you know, for like ice cream and stuff like that. And by the way, if you're shopping for getting ice cream, just side note, don't get the ice cream first. Get ice cream at the end. You don't want to deliver melted ice cream to your customers. Come on. Get the ice cream at the end, guys. Yeah, okay, the last one, number 9. This is a huge problem that people don't, well, a lot of people don't have, and they run into this issue, but it's unlimited data on your phone. I know it thinks like, oh, duh, it's a no-brainer. Everyone has unlimited data. Well, I didn't have unlimited data until very recently. But yeah, you want to have a phone that has unlimited data so you're not running out of data and like calling up your company and be like, hey, can you add a gigabyte this month? I need to go shopping. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Those are the 9 things that you need to have as an Instacart shopper. If you think I missed anything else on the list, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe so you never miss another video on how to make more money as an Instacart shopper and a gig worker. You guys are the best. I'll talk to you all soon. Later, guys. Peace.